A very warm welcome to one and all present here to view our presentation. Well, we are the Dream Teamers and we dedicate ourselves to discover the desires of the economy. So, about this, we are the Dream Team and we are the community of curious design thinkers and redefiners of product in our own innovative terms and style, which was led and assisted by our coach, Mr. Radhe Kripani. So, we are here to create and redefine solutions which could satisfy and to solve the economical needs. So moving ahead, this was our crew. That's me, Sanjay, and I'm the team leader of Dream Team. Next comes Vigneshwari. She is the COS, that is Chief Operating Head of our team. And then comes Ilakian. He's the CMH, that is Chief Marketing Head of our team. So moving ahead to our problem statement, we have received the problem statement stating that share the load to grow your food. Actually, the thing over the thing over here is that farmers try really hard to give us food. But what happens if farmers as well as civilians collaborate together to get profit? So in a cyclic process, both farmers and civilians would be benefited incredibly. So we have just changed our problem statement a little. Right. So proceeding further, a piece of land, let's assume it's an acre of land. So this acre of land is worth a produce of rupees 18,62,623, which is equal to $25,000 worth produce. So per annum, you could earn rupees 25,000 worth of product. So in India, at total, we have 812.3 million acres of land, and out of which 60.45% of the lands are abandoned and left out of usage. Say, for example, your backyards or a playground down across the street. So this constitutes around 491.03 million acres. So proceeding with excluding all those forestry, mountainous region and governmental properties, we have around 50.03 million acres of land. This is the exact statistical reports. And when we use all these in a productive manner, we would be incredibly benefited by a sum of rupees 9 crore 31 lakh 90,753 rupees point 936 spicy. That's a huge amount, right? If this continues to be happening, then our country in a decade or two would probably become one of the leading or one of the developed country probably in a decade or two. So having all these in our mind, how to make use of these abandoned lands.
Well, surprisingly, we have something called as community gardening under existence, which is practiced in several developed countries such as US, UK, Germany and even few parts of India too. What happens over here is that a community or a group of people together would hire or pay a little sum of money to the person of ownership, and they would simply cultivate and make use of it. But how are we going to bring this into colors? Let's take classic examples, which is Ola and Uber. Ola and Uber, through it is related to our automotive industry, it well defines the way of connecting people. Yes, they act as mediators, linking can drivers and civilians who are in need of cab.
So proceeding further from Ola and Uber, what we can derive is that land sharing, it's going to be the backbone of a product. And then tools renting, of course, most of the civilians or people who are interested in farming will be lacking with tools. So tools renting is one of the common thing which needs to be implied over here. And communication, as we discussed, establishing better communication or bond between customers as well as renters is going to be the backbone of our product. And then comes seeds and saplings, which we'll explore them. And then agricultural stock market. In order to increase the competition and interest of civilians generally don't take interest over something without a benefit. So in order to increase the interest over this process of gardening, community gardening, we have introduced something called agricultural stock market, by which the person, him or her, could invest a bit of money, and then by the end of the day, they can feed themselves with a bit of profit. So also farmers don't have the habit of saving. They just throw their money right into the fields for cultivation and other process. So what we have introduced is something really incredible, and it's going to be a cost saving thing for farmers, and also they can feed themselves with profits. So how to bring them all into a single piece? Well, is it even possible, by the way? So here's Dream Team's innovative solution, and the product shall be launched in 3, 2, 1. There you go. So before that, this product is designed and intended for educational and informational purposes. In present, this is not under existence. Also, the presenters and designers are not liable of misunderstanding, losses, or damages based on the webinar. So kindly ignore if this isn't applicable. So it's just a disclaimer note. So
Introducing ATLSR, Anytime Land Sharing and Renting.
yes, it is possible. Dream team made dream come true. So this was an L1 prototype and it's functioning. Oh wait, hang on. Are these similar? I guess both this ATM machine and our device is similar. Yes, of course. Yes, it is. We have conducted a survey to 200 farmers of Tamil Nadu and the subject was device or technology with which you are familiar. So the surprising answer that we received from all of them was an ATM machine. Because the reason behind this was that the ATM machine has simpler interface. Because the ATM machine has a simple interface which makes people to operate it easily, even if it can operate it. So that's why we have designed it of the form of an ATM machine. So how is it going to work? Firstly, you have to insert your respective ATLSR card into the card reader where it reads your card, and then comes language preference where you've got to choose your language. Further proceeding with, then you'd be guided by a voice assistant just like Amazon's Echo or Alexa, and then you have to choose your requirement, whether you need a land tools or you want to invest on stock market or you want to withdraw money. So then later you have to enter your location to further proceed with, and then you have to select your range of availability. 1 kilometer from your house or 2 kilometers from your house, you can select your perimeter, and then you have to, after selecting all these based on the criteria that you have chosen, you would be given certain profiles with which you can have a video conference or audio call simply, so that you can have a conversation with the customer or the person who's going to rent you. So finally, book your renting time or availability, and then a receipt will be printed, and you have to collect the receipt which contains all your scheduled and rental timings. So that's it. And we have added and then just like Amazon's Alexa and Apple Siri, Samsung's Bixby, we have added a voice guide which is going to be guiding you throughout the whole process in the language that you have chosen. Also, it's going to be user friendly and break down your work into pieces. And then comes multi-language support.
Multi-language support. Our device.
Well, multi-language support, where you got to choose your language according to your preference. They are being assisted with quite a lot of languages. So our technology is special about detecting the language of incoming profiles and automatically translates it according to the language that you have chosen. And then comes touch sensitivity. We have enhanced and used a better responding touch system layered upon a retina display. Retina display is something which is unique and used in Apple products, which changes the dimensions and the brightness of the screen according to your retina, and it adjusts it automatically. And we have enhanced the communication by introducing 720 pixel camera and headphones. And then comes the components of ATLSR.
It's time to discuss about the components used. Firstly, this device comes with an HD 720 pixel camera to have a better video conversation. Next comes the Retina display. It is really special because it is used in Apple's products such as MacBooks, iPhones, etc. This display could change the screen and its brightness according to the retina of the user. Meanwhile, you'll be using better pixel quality. We have introduced a headphone with inbuilt mic to maintain your privacy and make the whole process secure. Also, the traditional reading aloud speaker is also added as a backup. Here comes the card reader, where you're going to insert your respective ATLSR card. Then comes the receipt printer, which is going to be printing your schedule and rental details and infos. The traditional keypad and mouse is also added in case if the display fails to work. And here's something interesting about the cash dispenser. You'll be able to withdraw up to 10,000 because we don't want the machine to be just like ATM machine. The thumb scanner over here, where the fingerprint mimicry features are different for each human to each human, and so the person or the human can be identified uniquely. Instead of using ATM card, fingerprint-based ATM is safer and secure. Finally, it's COVID time. to prevent the novel coronavirus with a hand sanitizer?
Last 30 seconds, please, because it's
So
already.
always do you have to visit the device to rent a book? Well, why not Handy? The first and ever Indian-made website to link farmers and landowners. This enables, we are introducing ATLSR, which links, we are introducing atlsrindia.com, which enables you to rent, share, or buy or invest your money on the stock markets, which fits right in your pockets, that's your phone, or sits right on your lap, that's your laptop, and which is in front of you, your screen, the desktop screen that you're using in present. So you can just give a shot to gardening and farming to just get relieved out of your stressful life. So, and as mentioned about the stock market, you can invest your money on the right place, that is agricultural stock, and by the end of the day, you can gain profits incredibly, and the gains of shares can go as high as 100%. So what are you waiting for? Sign up with atlsrindia.com or visit the nearest ATLSR center. Let's make Earth a better living place. This is Stream Team signing off. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, team. Wonderful presentation. Now, the panel is open for the forum discussion, please. You can stop sharing so that you'll be able to see our judges. And I request all the participants also to switch on the camera if they can. Yes. We are already running delayed. So if you can just, judges, if you have any questions or feedback to be given, then.
Okay, so
So just wanted to understand, so who would be the end users, like who do you think would be benefited from your solution?
Ma'am, incredibly, the civilians as well as farmers can be benefited out of it, because civilians, to get rid of their stressful life, can apply or can sign up with ATLSR India, and then they can just look out for nearby lands availability and things. So civilians, they can do their best by helping farmers by preparing or making their own.
Okay, and how will farmers benefit?
Yes, ma'am. There's a situation in India occurring where farmers are lagging with land. So for those farmers who are lagging with land, this ATLSR is a great choice, because they can pick this up and then they can just rent a land and keep their livelihood going in an optimal state. Also, the share market, which is going to be incredibly beneficial for them, because farmers generally don't have the practice of saving. So on investing something on stock market could give them profit as well as they can do some savings.
Sure. And how will you generate the revenue? Like how will you fund this activity?
Ma'am, actually funding at this time is actually not really possible. Maybe in the decade or two, what happens is that there will be a Nobel crisis where extreme famine occurs. This is actually a statistical or proven thing. So at that time, no, all the companies would definitely unite to solve this famine situation, which would be occurring in the near future. So at that time, fundings will be happening.
Sure. Okay, great. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
So if we can wrap up quickly, judges, if you have any questions. We have got one question from Professor Satya. Why are you going for an ATM and not just a mobile app? Would you like to answer that question?
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Ma'am, we are actually as we mentioned, we have designed it of the form of an ATM machine, because as we discussed, farmers are like very much familiar with withdrawing money from ATM machine. As we said, we conducted survey to 200 people from Tamil Nadu, out of which we received 158 reports stating that ATM machine is with which something they are like very much familiar. Actually, it was a multiple choice question, so they picked up ATM machine. Other than phone, it's like kind of a bit hard for them to use it. So.
Great, thank you, Mr.
okay,
Krishnan.
I would just say that great job. I think the way you put the perspective of how important the opportunity to address is quite well defined. And I also like the analogy that you brought in, which is very, very powerful. You understood the world of business where the how you can able to provide a solution is what you're looking into. So I really enjoyed the presentation, and the thought process is quite well nurtured. Very good job.
Okay, just on my side, just to wrap things up, firstly, Dream Team, you guys are real dreamers, and trust me, I'm sure if you go on this space, sooner or later you might achieve those dreams as well. So it's a great concept. Love the idea of your professional approach, keeping somebody as a design head, marketing lead, and those it's a great concept what you guys came in. And most importantly, whosoever added this idea of disclaimer was amazing, and great to see people like you are so aware of these terminologies coming up. I missed out in which standard you guys are studying in right now.
Grade 9 and 10, sir.
Wow. So for 9th standard and 10th grade students, you guys have done fantastically well. Amazing, amalgamation of the pre-existing technology, which is ATM, used in a different fashion. Just to add it up, you guys were talking about some agricultural stocks and all. So I'm sure you might be aware that for agricultural stock market, we call it as commodity trading, which is already pre-existing in India and globally as well. So that would have been thought rather than just using this term agricultural stock market. You guys have really explained the process very well. The objectives were clear. It's just that make sure the cost implication is being worked out pragmatically, because we are talking about an ATM machine, and you have an enhanced version of an ATM machine, if I could say that, with such added and amazing, Mac and Windows features into it. So make sure the cost doesn't shoot up, that, the pragmatic implementation is being missed out. But all in all, it was a great show, and good luck to you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Great. So for a small selfie, if I request all the judges and all the students, just switch on the camera.
Ma'am, actually, I'm having problem with my webcam, so maybe I couldn't turn on my.
No problem. So we'll take with the people who all are already there. May we say Kinderspark on count of 3. Kinderspark.
Kinderspark.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Dream Team. Let this dreamer attitude be there, alive in you. All the very best. I really feel so proud that you guys have participated in this. All the very best.